Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to install a built-in oven. Firstly, create a frame using plywood of MDF if needed, matching the cabinet style. Ensure the frame is level and securely attached to the cabinetry. Now turn off at the circuit breaker and connect the oven wires, black, white, green, following the manufacturer's instructions. Secure connections with electrical tape and make sure no wires are exposed. And carefully lift the oven into the prepared space. Adjust the feet to level the oven and check that the door opens freely without any obstructions. Now use screws to secure the oven to the cabinet as per the manufacturer's instructions and make sure the oven is firmly in place. Now inspect for alignment and secure insulation and turn the power back on and test the oven for proper functionality. Just for safety, always turn off the power before handing electrical connection. Use proper lifting techniques to avoid injury and double check connections to prevent electrical hazards. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.